Good morning, welcome to my channel. I'm Hilda. A very big congratulations to you if you have made it this so far. This is week 9. If you have been keeping up with the exercise through the weeks, all I can say is it's indeed a very big accomplishment. It takes so much self-discipline, determination, and consistency to keep up with the exercises. So we have done this before in the earlier videos. You can check them out for the dissected movement. Here we're going to go straight into it. We are going to lengthen out this hip joint and have your left hand by the side of your stool or chair for support, and then from here you're going to straighten out the back leg. The front leg remains at about 90 degrees. Now see if you can push yourself up. Okay, this time you're not going to come to sitting. You have the chair there, so you should feel pretty safe. Release both hands, arms. Can you do that? Release. And just stay, lengthen out the back leg. So we may be increasing the intensity of the inner thigh, the hip joint to your inner thigh. And that's really good for us, a great antithesis for too much sitting. Stay there and pulse 1. You're not going to go very far because of the chair, but a little bit is enough. It's a very deep stretch. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Stay here. Now you are seated on the chair again, but look at my heel. Can you try to reach the heel towards the back more? You will find that the intensity of the stretch will be deepened here in your right hips, and we want that. Reach the right heel to the back and deepen the stretch here. And slowly release. Let's move on to the other side. Again, the front leg is 90 degrees. The back leg, you can start stretching it back here, and you will feel this deep stretch in your hip joint as well as the left psoas. Psoas is pretty deep, so to some of us, we don't feel it easily, especially if we have tight hip joint, but that's okay, because by doing this, you can take comfort in the fact that it's being stretched deep within. Okay, now stay this way. Really straighten out the back leg, and then with the right hand by the side of your stool for support, you're going to push yourself up. This time you're going to stay up and you're going to pulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stay and reach your left heel to the back while your pelvis and your hips stay where it is. It will intensify and deepen the stretch on your left hip joint and your left psoas. Check that both pelvis square. You can put your hands here by the side just to give yourself the awareness. While continue to lengthen out, keep reaching the left heel away. You're not sitting on the chair, but of course you can touch the chair a little bit with your inner thighs. And slowly release. The psoas release and hip joint exercise that you just did is very helpful, especially if you sit too much all day. Because when we sit a lot, the area in our pelvic region tends to come together and therefore it tightens up. So if we start doing stretches like that, we are actually giving it space, and it is much needed for the muscles and the fascia around this area especially. It will definitely help to relieve the lower back of any tightness. With that said, we have come to the end of this video, which is the end of week 9. It's also the closing of this 9 weeks Prevent Lower Back Pain series. But this is just the beginning. I will be doing more videos on how to prevent lower back pain, focusing on one exercise at a time with dissected movements here. If you have any questions, any comments, any feedback, do leave me a comment in the section below. Else, I hope you've enjoyed the series. If you have been watching a little bit here and there, I do encourage you to watch the entire series at your own time. Take it at your own time, but practice progressively and let me know how it goes. So thank you for your viewership. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your participation. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and yeah. Bye for now, and have a great day. Have a great time practicing. Happy journey.